Publishers.
Are you ready for a yummy fruit quiz?
Yeah!
Look at the big question mark. What is hiding today?
Let's guess together. I'm so excited.
Shall we see what is behind this secret screen?
Abracadabra, show us the picture.
I am big and green outside, red and sweet inside with black seeds. Who am I? Watermelon.
Surprise! A quiz inside a quiz. Let's find it. Are you ready?
Where are the stripes? Stripes. Where is green? Green. I am round and orange. Who am I? Orange. Where is orange? Orange. Where is round? Round. I am red and has tiny yellow seeds. Who am I? Strawberry. Where are the seeds? Seeds. Where is red? Red. I am yellow, smooth, and very long. Who am I? Banana. Where is yellow? Yellow. Where is long? Long. I am yellow inside and very spiky outside. Who am I? Pineapple. Where is Spiky? Spiky. Where is yellow? Yellow. I am small, round, and purple. Who am I? Grapes.
You are doing awesome. Keep going.
Where is purple? Purple. Where is small? Small. I am red, round, and smooth. Who am I? Apple. Where is red? Red. Where is smooth? Smooth. I am fuzzy and brown outside. Who am I? Kiwi. Where is green? Green. Where is fuzzy? Fuzzy. I am yellow and very juicy. Who am I? Lemon. Where is yellow? Yellow. Where is juicy? Juicy. I am pink and very soft. Who am I? Peach. Where is pink? Pink. Where is soft? Soft. It's a Playlish time!
Psst, are they still watching?
If you subscribe, we'll bring more fun games.
Shh! Click!